Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by building the flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons oil until it shimmers, then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Listen for the pop to know they're ready. Once aromatic, add 1 chopped onion with 1/2 teaspoon salt and sauté. This releases sugars that sweeten the curry. Stir and scrape brown bits. Those brown bits are flavor. Make sure to lower heat if onions brown too fast, because slow caramelization is what gives depth to matar curry. You now layer spices so they bloom. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and cook about 30 seconds to remove raw edge. Then add 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon chili. Toast for 10 to 20 seconds so the oils release flavors. Pour in 2 chopped tomatoes and simmer until oil separates from the masala, about 6 to 8 minutes. This indicates the sauce is cooked through and ready for peas. You finish by adding 1 cup peas and 1 cup water, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook 8 to 10 minutes so peas absorb flavor and soften. Once done, stir in 1/2 teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. This brightens the whole dish. Make sure to taste and adjust salt. Garnish with chopped cilantro and let the curry rest 5 minutes so flavors meld. If the sauce is thin, simmer uncovered. If bland, add a pinch more salt or lemon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.